Hi guys, today, we reviewed the best mini PC in the market for this year. I made this list based on my personal opinion and I tried to list them based on their price, quality, durability and more. For price and details please check the description below. If you have any other recommendations you can let us know by leaving a comment. AK1 Mini PC Windows 10 Mini Computer Intel Celeron Apollo Lake J3455 8GB RAM 128GB SSD HTPC Office HDMI Wi-Fi 4K USB 3.0 Mini Desktop Features of this product. Brand name, ASAP. Model number, AK1 Fanless PC Want 8G 128GB licensed. Click here. 8G 128GB licensed 1. The latest Windows Smart Mini PC with Apollo J3455 2. Not only mini but powerful, not only the powerful CPU, but also with the Windows 10 3.W10 also with RAM DDR3L 4GB/6GB and ROM 64GB, support 2.4G Wi-Fi and 5G Wi-Fi connection, and with Bluetooth 4.0. 4. Comparing with normal laptop or desktops, this mini PC has the same functions with the normal Windows computer, small, but is a pocket mini PC, easy to take away. 5. Comparing with Android Smart TV Box, this mini PC is more powerful than the normal Android TV box. Windows OS is easier for use, and have more functions, can used anywhere, such as business meeting, home theater, office work, etc. Features, operating system, Windows 10, 64-bit/U-Band 216.04 CPU, Intel Celeron Apollo Lake J3455, up to 2.5 GHz, RAM, 4GB DDR3L storage, 64GB SIM-on-board expand storage. Maximum for SATA SSD up to 128GB or mechanical hard disk 2.5-inch 2TB SATA, support 1x2.5-inch SATA laptop HDD or SDDM SATA, support 1M SATA SSD Wi-Fi, 2.4G and 5G built-in Wi-Fi, IEEE 802.11a/b/g/n/AC Bluetooth. BT 4.2A VESA mountain specification, item size, 5x5x2-inch operating system, Windows 10, 64-bit/U-Band 216.04 CPU, Intel Celeron Apollo Lake J3455, up to 2.5 GHz, RAM, 4GB DDR3L storage, 64GB SIM-on-board expand storage. Maximum for SATA SSD up to 128GB or mechanical hard disk 2.5-inch 2TB processor graphics, Intel UHD graphics 500 graphics space frequency, 200 MHz graphics burst frequency, 500 MHz Bluetooth, BT 4.2 type, mini desktop hard drive capacity, 64GB processor model, J3455 memory capacity, 4GB graphics card type, integrated card type, mini PC processor main frequency, 2.0 GHz processor brand, Intel use, multimedia CPU, Celeron Apollo Lake J3455 graphics, Gen 9 LP18S1 memory, DDR3 1600 so on-board slot, max to 8 GB storage. 1 SATA IEI 6 gigabits per second SSD/HDDI/O main frequency, 2.0 GHz Wi-Fi 802.11 acres plus BT Bluetooth, BT 4.2 product size, 128x128x37 operating system, Win 10 Linux optional feature, can install 2.5-inch factory selling, Amazon hot sale support. Reseller, wholesales, drop shipping features, NetApp, so this is the best option for you to buy. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please like, comment, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.